Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Today, we will be discussing with you budget-friendly smartphone Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. Let's begin with display. The screen is a pretty clear strong suit here, so long you are happy with the fact that at 6.67 inch it is pretty large. This is an LCD panel rather than OLED with an FHD plus resolution of 2400 x 1080. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, however, and 240Hz touch response rate, both of which will hold immediate appeal for anyone who games a lot on their phone. At a 120Hz high refresh rate, you will never miss a beat. Enjoy seamlessly fluid movements in action-packed games and stay ahead of the competition. The high 240Hz touch sampling rate decreases the touch latency, and the responsive screen gives better in-game sensitivity control, taking your game experience to the next level. Design. Poco X3 Pro has a new and improved look with a reflective chroma strip in the center and metallic texture on the sides. With improved fingerprint resistant material, your phone will always look good as new, including the battery. The Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro phone has 215 grams and it's very thin device, only 9.4mm. The Poco X3 Pro screen looks sharp, color is bold, and the fairly large size instantly gives you the sense it's made for games, video, and other stuff the enthusiast Poco crowd would enjoy. The polycarbonate back has a glossy racing stripe running right through the middle, flanked by a matte finish. Chipset. The device is packed with 6GB and 8GB RAM along with 128GB and 256GB internal storage options. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 Octa-Core processor, while the GPU is Adreno 640. It won't let you down even when playing graphically demanding games in high settings. Enjoy high speeds and lagless online gameplay. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Camera. The rear camera consists of latest quad camera, 48 megapixel wide plus 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro plus 2 megapixel for depth. And it features dual LED flash, HDR and panorama. On the front, there is a single 20 megapixel wide camera. The rear setup is broadly similar but differs in the details. You get 4 lenses, but 2 of them are both 2 megapixels. A macro lens and depth sensor. The other 2 are a 48 megapixel main camera, down from 64 megapixel, and 8 megapixel ultra wide, down from 13 megapixel. The lower resolution and smaller sensor size are counteracted slightly by an improved 1.8 aperture, and in daylight the results are honestly pretty great. There's no optical image stabilization, so you will get a touch of hand shake, but colors really pop, and a 48 megapixel sensor is still enough to pack in tons of details. Battery. The 5160 mAh battery here is pretty considerable and plays a part in how hefty the overall phone is. In benchmarks, it actually lasted a few hours less than the X3 NFC. Despite identical battery capacity, perhaps the trade-off of more power-hungry processor. There is a built-in non-removable lithium-ion polymer battery that supports a fast charging of 33 watts, which is 59% in 30 minutes and 100% in 59 minutes. It also features a USB Type-C 2.0 USB on the go. Despite that, in actual use, this still offers excellent longevity. Heavier users and gamers should have no problem stretching it out to fill the day. Now, the most interesting part, gaming. If you are looking for an affordable phone for gaming, the Poco X3 Pro should be your best bet. Benchmark scores and gaming performance show a significant boost over Qualcomm Snapdragon 700 series chipsets. Call of Duty Mobile defaulted to very high graphics and high frame rate. We dialed graphics down to high for smoother performance. Here the in-game surroundings as if you were there inside the screen. The dual speakers deliver powerful studio quality sound, whether you are playing games or listening to the music. Easily sustain peak performance during heavy gaming sessions like Call of Duty, GTA 5 and other car racing games. The heat dissipates in 3D, so you can keep playing at full speed and enjoy it. Software. Xiaomi equips the Poco X3 Pro with Android 11 and its in-house user interface MIUI 12. The Android security patches were at the level of April 2021 at the time of testing, which was at the end of the May, and consequently still pretty up to date. The operating system and pre-installed apps use 20.6 GB of the 256 GB of storage, so there's still about 235 GB free. It's really amazing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.